In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this granny shell pattern, that's what a lot of people call it, into a square. I like this pattern a lot. I've done a lot of blankets, like complete blankets. So when I figured out how to make it into a square, I would just make the squares and then attach them. Sew them together and then probably make another pattern outside. You know, just add it, or, you know, just, I mean, possibilities are endless, whatever you want to do with it. So if you're familiar with this pattern, you know that the next step, once you finish the shells, is to do a single crochet in this one, in the middle of the shell below. So let me go ahead and do that. So once you do that, if you want to make the border in a different color, you can go ahead and just cut the yarn. If you want to continue with the same color, then what you would do is on this one right here, this stitch, you would do a slip stitch, because we need to get to this one right here. And then this one, you would go ahead and do a slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 3. Oops. Okay, chain 3. So in the next 3 stitches, you're going to do a half double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Then in this next one, you're going to do a double crochet. And then here on the next 3, you're going to do 3 double crochets together. So you would yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the first 2, leave it there, and then go ahead and do the same thing here. Pull through the next 2, and pull through the next 2, and you're going to have 4 loops, and you just put them all together. The next one, you're going to do a double crochet, and then 1, 2, 3. So this is the corner actually. So in the corner, you're going to do 1, 2, 3. You're going to do your 3 half double crochets. Sorry, it's kind of hard to crochet with my recording with this thing in my face, the phone. So once you get these 2, we're going to do a double crochet. And in the corner, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets, and then 2 double crochets, next 2 stitches, and then the 3 half double crochets, and then you're going to do your double crochet, and then you're going to do your 3 double crochet together, so see, it looks, it's not perfect, but it is, I mean, it works. So you're going to just continue. So here you did the 3, so you're going to do the 1 double crochet. Then you're going to do, let me just adjust this thing real quick. Okay, I was adjusting the phone. So let me see. Oh, we're going to do the 3 double crochets here. And then you're going to do your double crochet. And then here always it's going to be a 3 double crochet together. Then you're going to do your double crochet here. And you're going to do you're coming up to the next corner. You do another double crochet, three half double crochets. And you're going to do your 2 double crochets. And corner is going to be 2. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, 2, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets, and half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, and then the double crochet, and then you're going to do 3 double crochet together. You can just start over. So if this pattern is a little bit bigger, because you can make it any size you want, of course. So as you go, you know that you're going to do your corners, and this part is going to grow. It's going to be 1, and then there's going to be 2, 3, 4, and then, you know, it's going to get bigger. So as big as you want it, you can, like I said, I've made entire blankets, and then at the end I want them squared off, so I just do the square. Or you can make little squares like this, or bigger, and then make it into a square, and then you will, you know, just sew them together. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna go finish, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here I'm coming to the end. So what you would do here is the same. You would do the 3 double crochets together. This is going to be, since we slip stitch, okay, there it is. So that is why when you start, you have to skip over this stitch and start here, because it ends in the 3 double crochets together. And you just attach it. Just attach your yarn and just. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's not perfect, but it works. So now you can, like I said, you can do a big blanket, finish it off as square, and then I actually do a border, a really nice border on it, or you can do small squares and attach them. If, like I said, this starts getting, here's 1, but the next one's gonna be 2, and it's gonna start, you just follow the same pattern. You just do, you start with your double crochet. You slip stitch, start with this chain 3, and then do the 3 half double crochets, so double crochet in the together, and then if you have another one of these, you just do again. You do the 3 double crochets together, and then do your double crochet, 3 half double crochets, 1 double crochet, and 3 together. And that's how you follow this pattern. So I didn't really go into depth with this pattern as far as showing you how to make it, because there's a lot of videos out there. You just type in shell granny pattern, and there's a lot of videos on how to do this pattern. But if you want for me to do make a video, just, you know, email, let me know. Right now, because my account is new on YouTube, it doesn't allow for me to turn on the comment section. That's why I add my email address. If you have any comments, questions, anything like that, just let me know. I'll be happy to help. If you want this pattern, I have it. There is a website where you can get this pattern, and I can link it. I'll try to, I don't know if I should link it. I don't know, because of, you know, this is not my pattern. But if you email me, if you want the link to this pattern, it's I think it's a written pattern, but I use a diagram. I will send that to you. That way you have the diagram. And I think, like I said, I think it it has the written pattern. I followed the diagram. I like diagrams better than the written patterns. But so that's it. So this is how you square it off, and I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching.